Your Spectrum TV showing subtitles you don't want? Here's how to turn them off. Sometimes subtitles or closed captions appear automatically. If you prefer watching without them, it's easy to disable. Start by grabbing your TV remote. Press the menu button on your remote control. This opens the main menu on your Spectrum TV screen. Use the arrow buttons to navigate through the menu. Look for the settings or accessibility section. Open the accessibility options. Find the setting called closed captions or subtitles. Select that option to open caption settings. You will see a toggle showing captions are currently on. Change the setting from on to off. Once disabled, subtitles will disappear from the screen. Now your program will play without captions. Another way is using the quick settings menu. Press the settings button on your remote. Navigate directly to the captions option. Select captions and switch them off. This will immediately remove subtitles from your screen. You can also turn captions back on anytime. Just repeat the same steps and switch them on. Some Spectrum boxes also allow caption style changes. You can adjust text size, color, or background. But if you want them gone completely, keep captions off. These steps work for most Spectrum TV receivers. The exact menu layout may vary slightly depending on your device. If subtitles still appear, check your TV's caption settings too. Sometimes captions are enabled on the TV itself. Disable captions there if needed. Once done, enjoy watching your shows without subtitles. And that's how you turn off subtitles on Spectrum TV.